Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a review. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like the content that I'm about to show you guys, give it a thumbs up and a like, and also share it to your friends and family. Now today, like I said, it's been a while since I've done a review. I'm doing a review on another Ecovac Deebot. This is a newer one to the model number that I have before, which is I have a Deebot 937. You can check that video out in an earlier review that I've done. Now this one is the Deebot Aivi. Let me see if you can see the name. Deebot Ozmo T8 Aivi. Okay, and I'm gonna do an open box review, and also I'm gonna do a secondary video of an in-depth review of how this bot operates and what this one is capable of from the previous model that I have before. All right, so stay tuned. Okay, so let me point out some of the feature that this bot has. This bot also has the mapping function as the Ecovac 937 that I had before, and I must say that did perform good to my preference. It works good. The reason why I'm getting this upgrade is because this one has multiple floors option and some other features that I do like and want to test out. Okay, this bot has avoid getting stuck with instant object identification, true mapping with 4 times the accuracy, long-lasting batteries up to 3 hours of cleaning in one charge, and also has a built-in camera and other stuff like that. And like I said, we're gonna test all of those out in another video that I'm gonna do, another separate video that I'm gonna do. So look out for that. And if you want to make sure you get a notification when I release that video, make sure you subscribe. It is important that you do subscribe so you can get all the updates that I'm putting out. Okay, so let's open this box up and show you what you get, what is included, and the design. Okay. Okay, so when you open it up, right there is the bot itself. It's really pretty neat. Let's get this out. Got a lot of weight to it. Not as, not too heavy. I do notice that this one doesn't have a handle. Wait, let's see what else this thing has first before I show you the bot itself. All right, so you got the mop. So far the mop is smaller than the previous 937 model that I have. Let's get this out the way. And you have the charging dock. Looks similar to the one that I have, to the previous one. I don't see that they changed that much. Then you have the brush, the sweeping brush. Oops. Okay, that's the sweeping brush. There's 2 of them. Okay, this is both of them. They look a little smaller than the previous model. Okay, let's see what's this in this portion. Okay, so in here you got the booklet, you have the dustbin, extra mops, cloth, and extra brushes. Okay, so let's put these back. Let's get a little bit more detail of the bot itself, what it looks like, all sides. Okay, so this is the bot. The laser display is smaller than previous model. Okay, if you guys can see that. There's also the built-in camera that I mentioned earlier. All right, on the bottom you have the wheels, you have the brush. Okay, that's a sweeping brush. But I do notice that this one doesn't come with the different suction bracket that the other one comes with. All right, this is where you put the 2 sweeping brush, and let's open the dustbin compartment. So this is the dustbin compartment. You get the little sweeper. The little sweeper brush, also with the blade to cut the what you call it, like hair, threads, or whatever that's caught into the sweeper brush. Okay, then you have the dustbin. Now the dustbin size looks similar to the previous one that I have. It doesn't look as big, but I do notice that the filter portion is smaller than the previous model that I have. I just hope this one perform better than it should. Now the way to open this one is to press that and it pops open like so. Okay, to take the filter out, I guess you have to pry it right here with something. Let me see if I can pop it open to show you guys. Okay, so you pry it open, and that's it right there. And this is the filter, the carbon, the little filter that comes with it that protects that, you know, other dust that might get inside and fill and block this suction part up. Okay, and I do like the way they built this one, because the other one, every time you lift the bin out, the filter always drop off, and this one it's in there, so to get it out you would have to force it out, which is not bad. And everything seemed pretty much similar. There's just a few little difference. Now, like I said, this one doesn't come with the handle that the 937 model has, where you could lift up the bot and you know, take it to a different location. This is the sides, the vents. Those are the vents, and this is the bumper guard to know when it's gonna hit into an object or so. All right, so this is the like I said, this is the Deebot T8 Aivi model. So we're gonna do, like I said, another review of an in-depth view of how it works and the other features that this one has that the previous one doesn't have. All right, So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you in the next.